Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out IRS Form 1098, also known as the Mortgage Interest Statement. So this form is used to report how much mortgage interest was paid during the year. It is also helpful because this information may be used when preparing a tax return, especially if deductions apply. So on the screen, you'll see the form open as a PDF. So you can follow along and we'll go through it each section step by step so that it is easy to understand. So starting at the top left, you'll see the lender's information. So this includes name, address, and phone number of the organization that received the mortgage payments. Right below that is the lender's TIN, and next to it is the borrower's TIN. And under that, you'll enter the borrower's name and full address and make sure that the details here match the records exactly. Now, moving to the numbered boxes on the right side. So box 1 shows the mortgage interest received. This is the total interest paid during the year. Box 2 is the outstanding mortgage principal, which is the remaining balance on the loan. Box 3 is the mortgage origination date, and in box 4 you'll see any refund or overpaid interest. If there is any, box 5 is for mortgage insurance premiums, then box 6 shows points paid on the purchase of the main home. So for box 7, check the box if the property address is the same as the borrower's address. If not, the property address will be entered in box 8. Next is box 9, shows the number of properties securing the mortgage, and box 10 is for any additional information if needed. And at the bottom, you'll also see the account number. That's the full walkthrough of the form. Just go through each section carefully and make sure everything is accurate based on the details shown. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.